What's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to discuss dash cams and why you need one. Dash cams have become quite popular because video does not lie. So there are several reasons to get dash cams, but the most important reason is insurance benefits. Whether it be a hit and run, a car sideswipes you, a car brake checks you, resulting in an accident, or any incident. Having a record of any of these instances is great for insurance. Providing dashcam footage can even expedite your insurance claims. Dashcam footage eliminates all the he said, she said. One of the most typical insurance fraud is when a pedestrian engineers a quote-unquote accident where the driver is at fault, usually by jumping out in front of their car. If you have video footage of that, that will clearly work in your benefit. So having a dashcam will work on your behalf. It's worth the investment, and it'll save you in the long run. I'm going to give you a quick run through of the dash cam I bought from Amazon for $35. So I wired up this dash camera to when I start the car, it comes on. There are a ton of different dash cams, and I'll put some of the links in the description below. The one I got is a great little dash camera. It comes with a rear camera as well. The only thing that I don't like about it is the rear camera is not infrared. So basically what that means is that the video quality at night is not going to be as bright. Mine also came with a 64 gig SD card. So on mine, I can slide the screen. Right here is the front view, and I slide it to the right. That's the rear view. Like I said, this is at nighttime. There's not a whole lot of lights where I am. I'm out in complete darkness. You can have it on split screen where you see the rear on one side and the front on the other. If you want to record something that just happened, you hit that lock button and it records that clip for the past 2 to 3 minutes. If you want to watch the clip that you just saved, you go hit the play button, go to lock video, and hit the first one that pops up. And that's the one that was last saved. This actually happened to me a few days ago. I was driving down the interstate, had my cruise set at 70. In the left lane, a car was trying to cross the median illegally. This truck was racing down the left lane. He obviously wasn't paying attention. He didn't see the tail lights in front of him. So he decided to swerve over in my lane, and that's how wrecks are caused. Had this guy hit me, all I would have to do is turn over this video footage to the police and the insurance company, because video does not lie. Invest in a dash cam. You might be the safest driver out there, but it's not you have to worry about. It's everybody else around you, because you don't know how they drive, and the world is full of stupid drivers. So these things are simple to wire up, and I'm going to show you how I did mine. The wire on the left is the power wire, and the wire on the right is the rear camera. So I ran the power wire underneath the headliner, down this pillar, underneath the dash, and into my center console. And I wired it directly into my cigarette lighter. So when the car is on, the cigarette lighter stays on. When the car is off, the cigarette lighter turns off. And as for the rear camera, I ran it the same way underneath the headliner, down the front of the headliner, down the side of the headliner, to the back of the headliner, and I brought it out and I put this camera on the top of the headliner in the back, as I did not have enough wire to install it above the license plate. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.